FILMORA 9, and FILMORA Pro. Features and review. Make created videos. Fun and animations. Filts and translations. Music, effects, and many more. So stay calm and listen carefully. WonderShare FILMORA 9 is a dramatic shift from the previous iterations of the software. For the past few years, WonderShare has focused FILMORA more on non-editors. Though the latest version is still easy for beginners to grasp, it offers more advanced options for veteran and pro users, earning it a place among the best video editing software. No matter which pricing plan you choose, you get every tool the base program has to offer. That includes its 200-track audio-video timeline, library of effects and transitions and audio, color and text tools. The program has everything you need to create professional-level results at a consumer-level price. WonderShare allows you to buy this video editing software for the price that's best for you, even free. You can also choose to pay a yearly subscription fee, buy the program outright, or get the ultimate version, which gives you everything in the add-on store. Strengths and weaknesses. Strengths: easy for beginners to grasp advanced tools. For veteran users, add-on packs with even more useful tools up to 100 video and audio tracks. Weaknesses: no storyboard mode, weak workspace customization options. Above all things, one of the most important thing is that anybody can use it. It's for everyone. Key feature of WonderShare FILMORA 9. Here are the key features of WonderShare FILMORA 9. Depending on the Mac OS X, Mount and Line included, the Mac version is slightly different, but all features for beginning users are included. Although we think it's the best choice for all creators, no matter beginning users or intermediate video editing users, you will find it is a great helper. Modern and user-friendly interface, up to 100 timeline tracks, and adjustable track height. Fully integrated 4K editing, supports all popular SD-ended videos, including MP4, AVI, MOV, M4T, and so on. Includes all common editing tools such as rotate, trim, crop, merge, etc. Add animated title with customizable font, color, text effect, etc. Fine-tune video/photos with contrast, saturation, brightness and hue tools. Change video with 50+ preset visual effects. Add transitions between clips or the beginning or ending part, and apply motion effects to photos and videos. Apply speed up, slow down and voice change effects. Advanced, improve stabilization and more efficient chroma key, green screen, add built-in intro/credit clips to create a great film. Record videos and voiceover with a webcam and microphone in one click. WonderShare offers 3 different plans for FILMORA 9. The annual plan costs a reasonable $39.99 per year, about £30, 60 Australian dollars, currently on sale, down from $49.99. While the lifetime plan costs a one-off fee of $59.99, about £45, 90 Australian dollars, down from $69.99. There's also the option of adding film stocks downloads for $9.99, about £8, 15 Australian dollars, per month, and there is a 1-month free trial, which gives you unlimited video effect downloaded. The final option is the annual bundle plan, which includes a year's access to FILMORA and unlimited downloads from film stocks for $99.87 per year. About £75, 145 Australian dollars, down from $159.87. Are you looking for professional video editing software that has features that compete with the best professional video editing software? It's time you check on FILMORA Pro. This video editor comes to you from the makers of FILMORA 9 video editor and competes with some of the best in the market, including Final Cut Pro and Adobe. Once you're done with editing, trimming, etc., it's time you look at customizable animation. It's an important part of the video editing, and you can use it to add text in videos and tracking. The software allows you to set keyframes to control the effects. It also supports you to change the speed and duration of the animation to make it feel fluid during the change of scene. It also includes highly customizable motion graphics and text effects. Features of Filmora Pro. My initial impression of Filmora Pro was good. It was easy to download, install, and get started up quickly. The user interface you're greeted with is very clean indeed, as showing only options for opening existing projects or creating a new one and a very basic menu bar. The auto correction mode can set the right color tones for your video. If your final footage came out a little bit extra bright or dark, you can choose auto correction for an instant fix or manually change exposure. Most of the audio recording is done separately, and it's important that you can sync it properly. Audio features in Filmora Pro allows you to automatically sync. Sold separately, but if you are into serious editing, it's a must-have feature. You can get access to 1,000 plus effects for videos by purchasing a lifetime pack deal. Wondershare offers 3 different plans for Filmora 9. The annual plan costs a reasonable $119.99 per year, about 167 Australian dollars and 30 cents, currently on sale, down from $99.99, while the lifetime plan costs a one-off fee of $149.90, about 209 Australian dollars and 50 cents, down from $149.99. The final option is the free plan, which includes a free access to Filmora and unlimited downloads from film stocks for $0. Thanks for watching video. If you are new at our channel, then hit subscribe button. If you're looking for deals at Filmora products, then check the description below. See you later with next video.